Stop scrolling. Before you buy anything this holiday season, a new laptop, a new Mac, or even a smart speaker, you need to hear this. Because December 2025 is not just another month, it's the quiet launchpad for Apple's most aggressive product strategy in a decade. For 30 minutes, I'm pulling back the curtain on the secret products that Apple is finalizing right now, the ones that are slated to drop with zero fanfare in late December and early January, designed to dominate the start of 2026. This isn't about the iPhone 17, it's about the devices that are actually launching now. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're dissecting the definitive leaks on the M5 Silicon debut, the stunning new MacBook Air design, the affordable iPhone 17e, and the complete, radical overhaul of Apple Intelligence and Siri. If you click away, you risk buying obsolete tech next week. Let's start with the seismic shift happening in the Mac lineup, the M5 chip. This is the technological heartbeat of the next generation. The M4 was a massive leap for efficiency, but the M5, according to multiple supply chain sources, is designed for one thing: generative AI at the edge. The leaks suggest a massive increase in the neural engine cores, pushing its processing power past 70 trillion operations per second, a number that is almost impossible to grasp. What does this mean for you? It means the MacBook Air M5, which is the next product on the launch docket, is not just faster, it's smarter. Rumors suggest Apple is moving to an even thinner, lighter chassis, possibly adopting the high refresh promotion display technology from the pros, but the real story is in the AI. Imagine Siri acting as your personalized co-pilot, not just dictating text, but rewriting emails in your specific style, or generating entire 4K video edits based on a simple voice command. This is all thanks to the M5. This machine isn't a laptop, it's a mobile creative powerhouse that knows what you need before you do. The next surprise, and a massive opportunity for budget-conscious consumers in the US, is the iPhone 17e. Apple knows they need a mid-range winner to compete with Android globally, but the leaks suggest the E model is getting a serious pro-level upgrade. We're hearing about the inclusion of the 120Hz promotion display on the entry-level models for the first time ever. This ends years of waiting for a smooth display on the non-Pro iPhones. Furthermore, the 17e is rumored to receive a huge camera bump, a jump to a high-megapixel main lens. The design itself. A sleeker, slightly revised chassis that finally sheds the last vestiges of the notch in favor of a clean dynamic island. This device is an absolute sleeper hit set to launch right at the start of Q1 2026. But the most critical, and arguably the most secretive project is Apple Intelligence and Siri 2.0. For years, Siri has been the butt of the joke. That ends now. The December/January product launches are merely vehicles for the true software revolution. Leaks indicate that the new Apple AI framework, codenamed Project Atlas or Apple AI Plus, is deeply baked into the M5 and the A-series chips. This means Siri can now understand context, carry on a conversation naturally over days, remembering previous requests. Deep personalization. Access your data across mail, messages, and calendar to offer proactive, genuinely useful suggestions, not just canned responses.